These are all my girls. That's Minga jumping up. There's Morsel. There's Lila. There's Minga jumping up. There's Jezebel. There's Morsel. There's Shimmer. Hi, Shimmer. That's Shimmer. Hi, honey. There's Shimmer. Hi, Shimmer. There's Lila. There's Morsel. Hi, Morsel. Morsel comes out of Xanadu, who was out of Delta. And she also has some Devils of York behind her. Shimmer is out of Felicity and Mojo. Minga is out of Cameo, who is currently pregnant with her last litter. Cameo and Zen. And where's Blossom? Blossom! Blossom! Where's Blossom? Blossom! Blossom! She hides. Blossom and Lollipop hide. Is that Blossom? Blossom! Where's Blossom? Where's Blossom? Blossom is out of Shimmer and Jet. Yeah, Blossom and Minga are close to the same age, so they play a lot. And there is Lollipop. Lollipop is the white one, and Lila is that white one. Lila's on the left. She's about just under 5, probably 4.5 pounds. She's my smallest. I usually don't breed them under 5. She's the only one. And Lollipop is about 6 pounds. And there's Minga. Yeah, she's 9 months old. And there's Jezebel. Jezebel is a party carrier. And there's Shimmer. So missing today is Spice and Cameo. Spice is at Jenna's house, and Cameo is at Juliet's house. That's all my girls. All my girls. Huh. Blossom. Blossom. Oh, she's gonna hide. Good girl.